Dear friends, I am B. Singh, and you are watching a discussion for GATE 2023 aspirants, those who have already qualified GATE. This discussion will help you a lot if you are planning to take your admission in master courses. There is question in the mind, which college and which course I should join. But this discussion will help you. What are the opportunities at NITIE Mumbai? We have with us three candidates who have been NITIE alumni. They have been NITIE classroom students. And Mr. Rohit Patil, he has done BTech in mechanical engineering and secured All India rank 8 in GATE 2021, presently pursuing postgraduate diploma in industrial engineering at NITIE Mumbai, and he was a NITIE classroom student. And the second person is Mr. Chinmay Samal. Chinmay has been mechanical student and again a classroom student, secured All India rank 278 in GATE 2022, and again enrolled in postgraduate diploma in industrial engineering course. Third person is Mr. Akash Sharma, who is civil engineer and selected in GATE 2022 with All India rank 274 and enrolled in postgraduate diploma in industrial engineering. All of you are enrolled in PGDIE. And there are many questions to be discussed today, but I will take one by one. Rohit, first question to you. Your rank was 8 and you had all options open, whether it was public sector or IISc or IIT, but you preferred to go NITIE Mumbai for the PGDIE. So what was in your mind and what attracted you to join this course at NITIE Mumbai?
Sir, my focus was on joining the course, which will give me a role in techno manager position. So as we all know, NITIE is the best B school, which can give you the best position in techno manager roles. Like here, we are having technical roles, like technical background also, which is getting covered in college, as well as there is a focus to develop the managerial abilities in the students. So for that reason, I joined NITIE Mumbai, sir.
You told that you worked in NTPC and resigned from NTPC for this course. So what public sector was not your aim. So after completing PGDIE, what you are looking to pursue in your career?
My main aim is to become a manager position, to get a manager position in the MNCs. Like here in NITIE, as you know, the placements are excellent, and at the same time, we are here. There are a lot of companies who are world-renowned companies which came to NITIE for the final placement. So to get a managerial role in those companies is my aim.
Right. Chinmay, you are also from mechanical, and this course fits to all, but more suitable for mechanical and PI students. So what was your aim?
I also have a work experience. I'm passed out of 2019 batch, and then I worked in Vedanta for 2 years. And after working in Vedanta, I decided that I need a career jump. So I decided to come to Delhi, prepare for GATE. And while preparing, I realized from the NITIE professors, NITIE teachers itself, that NITIE is a great college where students are going to greater heights in their career as compared to PSUs or IITs. And that is where my aspirations towards NITIE started. And I started knowing more about the college. I researched more about the college, talked with my friends who are studying here. And that is the reason why I chose NITIE. And I made a right decision, I feel. It's been 1 year and I have 1 more year to go. Yeah. So.
Good. Akash, you are civil engineer. So do you feel that this course is suitable for all branches and also suitable for your branch, civil engineering?
I completely agree with that, because civil engineering also includes some subjects like project management, construction management. So here in NITIE, it's also called Mecca of Supply Chain and Operations. So it also includes very much applications of our engineering background. So I actually feel like that, sir.
Dear friends, NITIE is proud of its students and alumni, because almost in all colleges you will find NITIE students, and they are one of the top rankers in GATE. They decided to go in NITIE Mumbai. There must be something which is better in NITIE, and so we will try to understand in today's discussion what are advantages, what is selection procedure, How much difficult is the selection procedure? Why one should prefer NITIE Mumbai? What are the campus placements after the selection? So these are the some questions which we would like to address today in this discussion. So my question is from Rohit, that what is the process of selection after the gate score? What is gate cutoff, on the basis of they will call for the GD and PI, and what are the other parameters?
Complete weightage for selection is not known, like it is not disclosed from NITI side. But the dominant factors are like your grade score must be there. You must have a good grade score, and at the same time there is some weightage on your work experience, your marks in 10, 12, and your graduation scores. So all in all, like one candidate cannot be like my gate rank is low and I will not get admission in NITI, or I will not get call from NITI. So that should not be a perception from the candidates. So
Chinmay, would you like to add? Because I have seen in somewhere that weightage of the class 10th is 5%, class 12th is 5%, graduation weightage is 10%, then 30% or 35% is the weightage of the gate score, then there is GD and personal interview. So what is your opinion on it?
Actually, that was the process a few years back, the weightage that you are mentioning, but it changes every year. And now we don't have GDs as well. For the past 2 years, we are not having GDs, and even for this year, we'll have no GDs. And there is significant weightage for gate scores and personal interviews, followed by the BTech percentage and 10th and 12th mark, as Rohit mentioned. And also, if you have work ex, then we get a slight advantage for that as well. There is a weightage for work experience also. So there is no exact figures, but yes, there is significant, if you say, it will be gate scores and the personal interview that will be held.
So dear friends, the parameters of the selection in the NITIE Mumbai keep on changing year to year. And a few years back, the group discussion was mandatory, but since last 2 years, during the COVID period, the GD process was eliminated, and work experience can be an advantage for you if you have worked somewhere, if you should write in your CV, because that can help you. There is internal process of assessment of selection, and that internal process keeps on changing year to year. You should not be in impression that cutoffs will be very high and selection is very difficult. If you apply for this, I think there are fair chances, but if your academics are better or good, then you can have a better chance. So I would like to understand from Akash, what was your experience? Did you expect your selection easily, or you had to prepare something for this examination?
Yes, sir. Actually, my gate score was decent. It was good at that time, but equal weightage to the interview also. I have taken the interview guidance program from ADZ, so that helped me a lot. And even after giving good interview and a good gate score, yeah, my admission was very sure. I was sure that I will be admitted to NITI. Yes.
Right. So do you believe that interview preparation is specifically required, and what type of questions they ask in interview? Are they from technical or some general questions?
Basically, sir, they'll ask you about mostly everything you have done till now, like in BTech, your projects, your final year projects, like what have you done in your preparation, what have you learned in your work ex. So these all questions are there, and if you are more of a technical guy and you put up the technical aspects of in your CV, so they'll surely ask some technical questions also.
And Chinmay, would you like to add in the process of interview what they ask from you and what one should prepare in mechanical front?
Sir, generally what we have observed is they ask BTech related questions as well, basic concepts of BTech, like thermodynamics based questions, not very conceptual, like the laws of thermodynamics, something basic. And especially they focus on industrial engineering because it is an industrial engineering based course. So these are the things that technical aspect that should be touched upon. Other than that, they ask about our work experience if there is, and final year project plays a great role, a summer internship, and sometimes they also touch upon the current affairs as well, the recent activities that happen. So one should prepare all these aspects, and I think I also took the MEDZ interview guidance course, and even they there we are told to touch upon these things. So yeah, there we need certain preparation for the interview because there is a significant weightage, and students here have converted NITI with a very low grade score as well. So interview should not be taken lightly. We should prepare for the interview. So
So, dear students, interview preparation is required, and you can prepare your own. You can take the help from ADG. ADG, once the calls are declared, so the qualified students will be invited for the training or interview guidance. And the idea which we can draw from the discussion of all these candidates who are already selected and joined the NITIE Mumbai and almost 1 year completed there, according to them, basics of your subject, but the degree project becomes very essential. What you have been doing till now, if you have worked, then your work experience, your area of interest, something from the current affairs, something which is in news, that also you should be updated. Your hobby interest also better to prepare. What is your aim? What are your achievements in the life? All these things, but don't forget to prepare the fundamentals of your engineering, especially if you are a mechanical or PIE student, then the industrial engineering related subjects and that application is important. If you are a civil engineer, then the project management becomes important in the other areas as well. And even for the other branches, electronics, instrumentation, or computer science, you should prepare the basics and foundation part of your subject, which you have studied in BTech. And the questions are not very difficult. They are not something which you can't answer. A student who has prepared for GATE and coming from a good background can easily do, but the preparation will help you a lot. So this, I think, will help you. And the next, my question is that NITIE is well known for the placements, industry placements. And students, they give this college as a top priority for the placement. So we would like to understand the packages and when the placements start, what are the general number of the placements one can expect. So this thing. So Rohit, to you first. What is your opinion about and your knowledge on it?
Okay, sir. For this question, recently only NITIE has completed the placement process for the 2023 batch. So for that, I would like to tell you the numbers of their placement. So the highest package which is offered in our campus is 78.2 lakhs, which is the highest in last 5 years. Then the average CTC in our college is 44.9 LPA, and the median CTC is 25.0, like 25 lakhs. So average CTC for our whole batch is 26.9 lakhs, and for top 10%, the average CTC is 45 lakhs, sir.
So friends, this is very surprising and inspiring. The highest placement for the current batch, which is passing out from the college, is 78.2 lakh, and the average of all students is 26.9 lakh, and average of top 10% is 44.9 lakh. So this shows that what is the level of placements, because when you go for IITs, NITs, and if you are doing MTech from those colleges, you may not expect such high placement packages. So this college definitely gives you the high package. Chinmay, my question is on the fee. Many students believe that the fee structure is not affordable, it is high. I would like to listen from you what is total fee of 2 structure, 2 years, and per year how much to be paid.
So the total fee structure is around 12.5 lakhs for 2 years. And yes, it's on a little higher side because normally we compare our fees with the IITs, the MTech programs. But when we compare NITIE, we don't compare NITIE with the IITs. We have to compare NITIE with IIMs. If we compare them with the IIMs, then it is very less as compared to the IIMs. But at our placement packages that we get, it is on par with them. So if you compare the return on investment, it's a good deal as far as return on investment is concerned. And also loans are available. I myself am pursuing NITIE and I've taken a loan, education loan, which is very easily available here. We can avail it from the SBI branch, which is near to our campus as well. And I'll tell you a figure that the SBI manager has given me. The average repayment period of the loan is about 10 months in NITIE. So the students repay their loan in 10 months. So there is no concern about financial concern here as far as I'm concerned.
So dear friends, 2 years fee is 12.5 lakh. But when you see the packages and placements, on an average 26.9 lakh, it means it is not even 6 months salary. And that is what Chinmay says, the average payback period is only 10 months. So it means that the students who have passed out premier, they repay their loans just in 1 year, within 1 year. So the fee should not be a concern. And if you are getting a very good opportunity to study with such a great placements, then this college provides you a very inspiring and very futuristic courses. Akash, my question from you is that what are the other courses which are being offered by NITIE? One, you all have joined PGDIE, but what are the other courses which are offered?
There are various courses like other than PGDI, there is one course PGDIM, which we get admission through CAT exam, and the other course is PGDSM, Sustainability Management. So it's a hybrid course. You can get admission through CAT and GATE also. So there are two courses which we get admission from GATE, the PGDI and PGDSM. And there are different courses like DGMP for defense sector and VLFM for the fellowship.
Great. So, dear friends, you got the idea. NITIE Mumbai takes admissions from GATE as well as from CAT. For the GATE candidates, postgraduate diploma in industrial engineering and postgraduate diploma in sustainable management. These are the two. PGDSM has a hybrid admissions from CAT and GATE both, whereas PGDIE takes from the GATE. And PGDIM takes from CAT, that is for management. And rightly said by the Chinmay that this should be compared with the IIMs, not from IITs, because the campus placements are of different type and the courses are common to all. It is equally good for a student coming from computer, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, electrical, civil, PI. Any stream background candidate can come, all will join the same course. But the best part of the course is the placement. And my next question again on placement, Rohit, on an average, students get a single placement or a multiple placements?
Sir, I think in every B school there is policy like you'll have to you'll get only one company. Like there is slot for like 1 week slot in which companies come, and you will if you placed in any company, then you will have to sign an agreement, and you can't appear for the another company. So there is one company agreement. Like
my next question: what is the approximate cutoff of the GATE score? The students may expect the call from the NITIE.
There is no exact number. I mean,
approximate score. Any idea? It is 750, 700, 800. What GATE score?
According to me, it must be around 700. I mean, or maybe 650 also, because I have seen some students who did well in interview, very well, and they have good work experience. So they got admitted in this course also.
Chinmay, yes, you would like to add?
Sir, actually 750 was just cut off maybe a few years back when the college launched the data. But now may go down.
There is change. Year to year.
There's change. And also the average GATE score is reducing as the number of applicants of GATE is reducing every year. So that is also a concern that it might even 650 score can also come into NITIE maybe. If
could be chance. Right. So dear friends, as far as the shortlisting is considered, I think that even if you have the GATE score 650 or 700, you should apply, because there is chance that you will be shortlisted for the next stage. And as the Chinmay says, and Akash says, year by year, the cutoff is coming down. And that is because there are less number of these students appearing in GATE. So the average scores are coming down. This is one reason. Secondly, the campus, the job placements in the public sectors also have been good in the past. Some students have preference of the PSU, so they go for PSU rather than going for the masters. So that is also one of the reasons. So take your chance. Even if you have at 600, 650, you should take a chance and apply. And maybe that if you are in category, the category students may have these further low and lesser cutoff. So keep in consideration. And any other experience you would like to share from your campus? What is type of campus, living environment, what is the study environment, and in general, what is the happiness index of these students there?
Sir, actually, I'll share my NITIE journey. First 3 months is a little hectic because hectic in terms of you have to put in a lot of efforts, just like our GATE preparations. Because after joining the 3 months, we get to sit for SIP placements. SIP is summer internship placements, and for that we are prepared a lot. Our seniors guide us, and So that is a period when you learn new things, our communication skills, our CV making and all. So that is a very tough period. But after that, it's a relaxing period, which we are like currently going through. Uh, just academics, and you get to take part in events. You'll be part of committees, and also you'll be part of fun activities as usual in college. But then now, after in April, we'll go and go to our SIP companies, the companies where we all are placed for our summer internship, and that is a period of 2 months. And if we do well there, we get uh, our PPOs, and if we get our PPOs converted, then we can like relax the entire second year. So that is how the general NITIE life is.
Good. Rohit, for you, NITIE has been like preference over the every other option because you are
Right,
ranked
sir.
8.
Right, sir.
So for you, what is your level of satisfaction and how you feel that leaving aside ISC, IITs and public sectors, you have come here?
Yes, sir. Actually, the major point, like when we consider NITI, the major point here is that it has vast alumni network. As you know, the NITI, like in every field, the NITI alumni will be there. Like you will get NITI alumni in every field. So, like if you want to make career in any specific field, then you can here we can connect any alumni of NITI in one click, like through our contacts. So like that is the main thing, because if you want to make career and like you want to get the idea like what will you be doing in next 5 or 10 years, then alumni will be like there to tell you like what should be you doing now this time. So that is the thing. So like if I consider the other, like I left the PSU, that is I joined the NTPC in 2021 and I left it because like my primary aim was to join NITI. But like when I consulted here, like the getting your work experience, and then after work experience, like you will be getting like why you want to do MBA. So that was the main thing behind joining PSU. So that was my background.
Good. So this was lovely discussion. I hope students will be benefited. And again, I would like to give the message to all aspirants who are looking for the master courses. Dear students, there are many opportunities after the gate. And it is rightly said, gate opens the gateway for the future. Opportunity includes public sectors, master's courses at IISc, IITs, NITIE Mumbai, and the other institutions. One has to choose according to his or her preference and where you want to be in future. If you are looking to be get placed at high packages and immediately after 2 years of courses, and you are looking for the placements in industry, then probably NITIE Mumbai may be the best choice if you are looking for the industry placement. As discussed and told by Rohit, Chinmay, and Akash, that this college gives you many things which are not available in other colleges, like a very good alumni network, place, and then there is education loan facility, high campus placements, almost a job guarantee, and every student almost gets a job. Is there any chance that students are not getting any placement? Akash?
So actually,
Yes, Chinmay.
actually, there we have a placement record of 100%. NITI maintains it over the
Over
years.
the year. So दोस्तों, आप ये मान के चलिए कि एक बार आपका इस कॉलेज में सिलेक्शन हो गया, उसके बाद आपकी जॉब तो आपको मिलनी ही है. थोड़ा डूबूंगा मगर तैर आऊंगा, तो देखता जा मैं जीत जाऊंगा. तो इसको ध्यान रखना है और ये होगा, थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी है. कुछ कंपनियों के नाम शेयर करेंगे, कौन कौन सी कंपनियां वहां प्लेसमेंट के लिए आती हैं?
There are many FMCG companies, great FMCG companies like Mondelez, Marico, Johnson and Johnson, Nestle, and there are other consulting companies like McKinsey, Kearney. There are more. I would say group companies also, as Tata Administration Services and Adani Group. So these are some of the companies that
Great.
were there.
And now my last question is that how many students, maybe MedEG students in your college in NITIE Mumbai? What may be approximate ratio and what is the total intake?
I would like to answer this question.
All right.
Sir, we all are from engineering background, and sir, everyone knows about Made Easy. Just to be honest, about it.
No, my question is not everyone knows. My question is approximate what may be percentage of the MEDG students who have been MEDG alumni, maybe in classroom courses or maybe in the other courses.
According to me, it's like 85 to 90%.
85 to 90%. Chinmay, you have any data?
Actually, if you consider GATE aspirants, somewhere or the other, they are associated with MEDG, be it test series or be it online courses, be it revision courses. So I think the number given by Akash is right here.
Right. So dosto 80 to 90% students pursuing master's courses at NITIE Mumbai have been part of MEDG. That is what even I am surprised to know this data. And this was a lovely discussion. I wish you all the best, Rohit, Chinmay and Akash. And for your future career, we wish you all the best. और कभी भी लगे कि मेरी जी से कुछ और आपको हेल्प चाहिए और some any kind of association is required, we are always open. Convey my regards to all your professors, and we are definitely proud of all the students who are getting placed in top positions. And if you need any kind of the further assistance, we are always there for our alumni students. Thank you so much.